Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, our gospel reading today teaches us two important ingredients in leadership or in governance. Nasa palagay ko kailangan maalala o matutunan muli ng mga iniluklok natin sa posisyon sa gobyerno. Sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, si Jesus kasama ng kanyang mga lagad ay paakyat papuntang Jerusalem. Jesus dropped the bomb by predicting his upcoming suffering, death, and resurrection. And his disciples did not understand this. And so, two of them, James and John the brothers, approached Jesus and said, "Teacher, we want you to do for us whatever we ask of you." Napaka-demanding, di ba? And ibinayadang ni Jesus, "What do you wish me to do for you?" And in all audacity, they said, they answered, "Grant us in your glory, we may sit one at your right and the other at your left." And Jesus asked them if they can drink the chalice that he will drink and be baptized with the baptism with which he will be baptized. And they in all confidence answered, "We can." Here the Lord now, instead of reprimanding them, taught them two important lessons. One is about humility. Jesus told them that that those who are recognized as ruler over the Gentiles lord it over them, and the great ones make their authority over them felt. But it shall not be so among you. Rather, whoever wishes to be great among you will be your servant, and whoever wishes to be first among you will be the slave of all. In the answers, in the instruction of Jesus, in his teaching, he really highlighted and emphasized the need for humility in governance and service. That it is not about you who is there in the position, but it is about humbling yourself in giving yourself for others. And so the second lesson is about service. That true greatness is measured by our service, how we totally commit ourselves for the good of others, for what makes other better. Yan yung gusto ng Diyos na matutunan sa atin sa pamumuno. Yung may kababaan ng loob, hindi mapagmataas, na masasaktan kapag nagkaroon ng mainit na debate, o yung kababaan ng loob na dapat yung kinikilala natin na tayo'y pinagkatiwalaan lamang doon, kaya tayo'y namumuno. At yung pamumuno na ito ay dapat may kasamang talagang paglilingkod, hindi paglilingkuran yung sarili, yung nasa politics ka kasi naging business na ito, family business, at para ito rin yung pamamaraan para ingatan o protektahan ang business ng mga makapangyarihan o mayayaman. Pero ang posisyon sa politika ay tungkol sa paglilingkod, hindi para sa pamilya pero para sa lahat, para sa nakakarami. Yan sana ang muling makita ng ating mga niluklok na politiko sa ating gobyerno. Ang magkaroon sila ng kababaan ng loob at really yung spirit ng paglilingkod, na ang isipin nila yung ikakabuti ng ating kababayan ng buong bansa. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyo lahat.